The Jetboil HalfGen Basecamp System is a versatile camping stove that can be used alone or connected with other JetLink-compatible stoves for a complete outdoor cooking experience. With a powerful 10,000 British thermal units heating system, it efficiently boils water in just over 3 minutes, making it ideal for quick meals and beverages in the wilderness. Jetboil's proprietary regulator technology allows for precise heat adjustments, enabling you to simmer or boil your meals to perfection. The included 9-inch ceramic-coated fry pan provides excellent nonstick performance, making it perfect for cooking a variety of foods like eggs and pancakes. Weighing only 3.5 pounds, this system is designed for consistent performance even in temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a reliable companion for any adventure. Whether on a weekend trek or an alpine expedition, the Jetboil HalfGen ensures you are well equipped to cook any level of cuisine while exploring the backcountry.